is here. So, good morning, everyone. I am Madhu Aluwalia, working as a senior advisor with Quality Council of India. I welcome our chief guest, Honorable Shri Anil Swarupji, Honorable Chair of the session, Professor J.S. Rajput, Honorable Secretary General of QCI, Dr. R.B. Singh, CEO NABED, Dr. Manish Jindal, and all the participants to the fourth virtual quality conclave on reconfiguration of schools education in light of NEP 2020. Thank you everyone for joining us. It's our honor to interact with you all. Before we start the session, just a brief introduction about what is going to be in the session. The new NEP 2020, which was notified recently, is a refreshing shift in education system. We all know, which includes some major reforms in school education, such as shift from 10+2 framework of education to 5+3+3+4 years. We all know undoubtedly NEP has brought a paradigm shift from quality to quantity in Indian education system. NEP 2020 envisages clear separate system for policy making, regulation, operations and academic matters. Also, NEP 2020 has recommended various measures pertaining to regulation, operations and quality of school education. Some prominent measures recommended in NEP 2020 are creating, foremost is creating an ecosystem of school accreditation by creating architecture of SSSA, which is State School Standard Authority at state level and entrusting CBSE to create structure at center level. Revamping, or I would say restructuring process of regulation and affiliation of schools and easing the regulatory regime which we currently have for contextualization as per local context without compromising the health and safety measures. Also, a focus on competency-based or teaching learning process. So this is a major shift which they have recommended for making entire teaching learning process outcome oriented, so that student should be able to attain grade specific learning outcome. NEP 2020 has highlighted that while evolving ecosystem of accreditation and restructuring regulation and affiliation system, the major things need to be taken into considerations is light but tight, like balanced approach for regulation, affiliation and accreditation. Also, intent of school accreditation may be seen as a process which will create enabling condition for schools to be able to continually improve quality of education system and not to restrict functioning of schools by imposing unnecessary conditions. So accreditation is going to play a major role in new NEP 2020, which Anil Swarup sir has been recommending from the day I know him when he was in MHRD. So hence, in our first session, our key speakers will enlighten us how modality of school accreditation should be and should be evolved for enabling schools to develop habits of continually improving quality of education outcomes. Also, the second session which we are going to talk about, where we all know the major challenges before policymakers are low or dipping level of learning outcomes. We know that periodical National Achievement Survey like NAS conducted by NCERT and ASER, ASER report of Pratham, they all report alarming condition of attainment level of learning outcome of students. For remedy to improve health of school education system, NEP 2020 has recommended changes in teaching learning process and a switch to competency-based education. In this session, our key speakers will enlighten us how competency-based education should be implemented in schools, and further how in-service or pre-service teacher education programs should be adopted for providing trained teachers for implementing competency-based education. Hence, we have taken two very prominent sessions, the accreditation and competency based, and we are going to deliberate today on these two sessions. I am glad that we all are here at the right time to deliberate on core issues like importance of quality improvement in school education system via accreditation, creating ecosystem of school accreditation, implementation of competency-based education, reorientation of teacher education, etc. This conclave is going to be a festival of discussions, discussions that are make that discussion that makes sense of the present evolve and seek pattern for the future.